Today's featured pickup truck is a 1965 Chevrolet C10 with a short box. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a good looker. Not sure if that's a factory color or not, but definitely looked good in that color. And it had been lowered, and I'm not sure exactly what size engine it had, but it definitely had probably a small block Chevy in there, potentially an LS motor because it sounded really good. And like I said, it was definitely a good looker. And this truck was part of the first generation of the C10 series, which went from 1960 to 1966. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1965 Chevy C10 short box that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And here's some additional pictures that I took of it for your enjoyment. Thanks again for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.